Alright, so all the W bodies are different. You know, they don't all have the same ways of coming apart like this one does, where I just pop that out with a flathead screwdriver, and there's two 10mm bolts in there. Some of them have little round pieces that pop out in other spots on the panel, and sometimes there's one behind the door handle. Alright, so after removing any of the fasteners that you find, and they can be various too, you'll have Phillips head 10mm. There is push pins in the door. They're made of plastic, and they just go into holes on the door, and you just pull it out like that. Just forcefully pop it out. Disconnect any of the electronics. This one was in there pretty deep. I had to depress the tab with a flathead. Alright, so there I pulled back the dust cover and leave that intact so I can put that back together and start removing the various 10mm. There's 3 right there for the motor, and then 4 that hold the center bracket to the door. As you can see there, that's why these fail, is eventually the cables just either break or cross the wrong way and stop going in and out smoothly or at all. And here I'm lowering the window. There's two 10mm that attach the window to the mechanism that goes up and down on your door regulator. Alright, so here I'm just raising the window up to get it out of the way. Secured it with some sticky cups, and you can use tape or something like that on top. Alright, now I'm just reversing the order of operations, putting it back in there, putting in everything by hand. Alright, right here I just loosened up the frame to make putting the bolts into the window um, tab were easier. Okay, and right here I'm showing you the plastic push pins. And they can be replaced. You can buy them pretty much anywhere.